If you've ever found yourself stuck because Telegram voice messages aren't showing up or simply won't work, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through every troubleshooting step you need to fix Telegram voice messages, from simple connectivity checks to specific app settings. By the end of this video, you'll be sending and receiving voice messages on Telegram again with confidence. Alright, let's dive right in and start with one of the most overlooked but crucial steps, checking your internet connection. Voice messages require a steady, reliable connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better than the other. And don't forget that toggling airplane mode off and on can reset some connection issues. It's a quick trick, kind of like giving your network a fresh start. If you've had issues with other apps too, it's a sign your connection may be to blame. Next up, restart the Telegram app completely. This means fully closing Telegram, not just swiping it away to the background and reopening it from scratch. Sometimes apps get stuck due to tiny glitches or memory hiccups, and a quick restart flushes them out. Think of it as like rebooting a computer to clear minor gremlins. Now make sure you're running the latest version of Telegram. Head to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for updates. Outdated apps can suffer from compatibility issues or bugs that have already been fixed, so keeping Telegram updated is key. I know updating isn't always thrilling, but it's one of the easiest ways to solve a whole host of problems. Sometimes it's not you, it's Telegram itself. Check for outages by visiting Down Detector. Here you can quickly see whether Telegram servers are down in your region. If others are reporting problems, you might just need to wait a little while. Don't worry if you see a lot of complaints. Server outages usually get fixed fast. For Android users, clearing the app cache can work wonders. Go to Settings, tap Apps, find Telegram, then Storage, and hit Clear Cache. Just a heads up. Clear data will log you out, which means you'll need to log back in, so stick with Clear Cache unless you're okay with that. For those on iOS, the equivalent step is offloading the app. Just go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, tap Telegram and offload it. Once you reinstall, you'll get a fresh app instance, minus any built-up data that could be causing problems. Android users should also check battery optimization settings. Go to Settings, Apps, select Telegram, then Battery, and set it to Unrestricted. Sometimes power-saving features can limit app functionality in the background, which is especially important for voice messages that need to process audio. If you're on desktop, open Web Telegram.org and check under Settings, Privacy and Security for any sensitive content filters. Sometimes, these filters might block or hide voice messages, especially if they've been flagged. Moving on to your operating system's sound settings. Make sure your default microphone and speaker are correctly selected in Windows or macOS. Sometimes, plugging in a new headset or moving between devices changes these defaults, and Telegram needs to know which mic and speakers to use. Also, take a moment to grant Telegram permission for your mic and speakers in your OS settings. On Windows, head to Audio Settings. On a Mac, look in the Privacy settings. Without these permissions, Telegram can't record or play voice messages. If those steps haven't solved it, try fully uninstalling and reinstalling Telegram, or use any built-in repair tools your OS offers. For example, Windows lets you repair problematic apps directly in its Apps menu. It's like replacing a faulty part in a machine. Sometimes you just need a fresh install. If you're using a specific headset or external mic and it's still not working, double-check your audio drivers in Windows. Update or reinstall them via Device Manager. Old drivers can cause compatibility headaches, particularly after OS or app updates. And finally, try using Telegram's web version at webtelegram.org. This is a great way to test whether the problem is device-specific. If everything works fine via your browser, you'll know the issue is likely with your app or device, not your account. Hopefully, these steps will get your Telegram voice messages working smoothly again. If they helped, be sure to hit like, and if you have any other questions or run into snags, drop a comment below. I'll keep an eye out and try to help you. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.